Hey guys, it's late.
Y'all ain't see that y'all bumped the leg.
My mom's is talking in the video.
Who?
So we're gonna be eating nuggets fried.
Nicole,
But my ketchup not in here. My ketchup is in here.
Because they've been sick for a long time.
Yeah, we have some toys.
Because she on Africa.
Okay, so first we're gonna get started. So comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. Okay, so pick what team. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Just listen to the sound. Okay, let's start. Oh, we forgot to tell y'all guys we got Sprite. Yeah. It's a nugget.
Oh, I gave you that. I could have given you a tissue now.
Good night.
That's my heart. Yeah, I'm gonna shock him for him. The fries like more crispier. Guys. I will go more in that video, and our mom was.
You gotta go with her?
No, you do not hold them. You're mine. Look at mine.
I brought you the orange ice cream thing.
Oh! Oh my head. Somebody think one thing they all go.
Oh,
Oh,
she got ice cream, but when I ask for ice cream, I got ice cream. I hate it. When my sister gets stuff, I don't. When my mom gets stuff, I don't. When she gets stuff, my mom gets stuff. We don't get stuff. But we have the best mom ever. If we don't have some, and she got money that she could put on a bill, guess what? She paid the bill. But when she got money that she want to buy herself candy, she was spending on us. Oh. And we're not the only sisters I have. We have 4. It's an Nala, it's a Leo, Trilita, Trinali. My mom had 4 kids. My daddy had 3 kids. The 3 kids was, the 3 kids, 2 of them is twins, and the other one is just like, but 2 of them is zoos, like men, and the other one is the child, 15. How old is 16 right now? Our little sister. This is our little sister. Say hey. We definitely go get her. She's bad. When y'all saw her, she's bad. She's the bad.
terrible.
Terrible, like my mom said. Like, not good at all. But okay, Abby. She put her hair back up. No, go get your food from my mama. Go get it from my mama. Go. By time. She can come back. Don't forget to check out all the other videos. Ivy. Oh yeah, her name Ivy. Go. Go. Look. Come on, back here. Well, we'll be right back.
I need to get that. I'm trying to get that.
I just need to get some ketchup, you guys. Some more ketchup. Yeah. What's up, guys? We were getting some ketchup. She's gonna put some ketchup in hers. And I should put some in here.
Oh, Lord.
But
Come on, put my ketchup.
you didn't put none?
No.
I did go Lucy.
I'm gonna go get the
Y'all don't know she's getting my last nerve. Like, we can never do video without her. She act like she has to be in every video we have. Like, no, she not. It's too bad.
Oh, we got tomato dipping sauce. Okay.
And the truth is, they're fake as. But what are you gonna do now? Like, are you gonna try to come back? Are you gonna stay in Chicago? I just feel like I gotta soul search. I gotta take some time for myself. To be honest,
Y'all,
I'm worried about other.
y'all gonna be coming with a hot noodle challenge
I'm really trying to have
tomorrow.
and I know I ain't telling nobody this.
Well,
but
we're gonna do
I went through surgery
tomorrow we doing.
4 years ago. And I
So
had a
we
tumor
can get
that was
cereal
sticking out
doing.
of
I'm
my
gonna get the
house,
phone.
my right side of my
But
ovaries.
the camera,
I got scared and I felt like I wasn't gonna able to
I'm gonna
have
show you
kids.
guys.
You know that I'm big on family.
Oh,
and I
like
want
what
my
we be
kids.
eating. We could be eating a lot.
3 years ago,
Cause I'm
And we
starving.
might go to eat cereal for
my
24
stomach.
hours.
I just remember being
Yeah, she
sick
posted
day
that
and
one.
the next day
But I
went
deleted
to
it.
surgery,
Cause
and I
like
felt
her hair wasn't even done, just like how it is. But mine's
my right side
done.
of my tubes were damaged, so they took it out.
So
You know, I think every girl wants to be mom.
my car outside, thought it was another car.
You know, have a family and all that. And I was very hurt because I thought I was being punished somehow of me not gonna be able to carry my own kids. I have an appointment and I'm kind of scared because
This car is awesome. Good.
I really don't want to go by myself.
My little sister back.
I would really like some
Not good enough. Huh?
disappointment
Mommy?
a million years ago.
No.
And I never
She's
got
still trying to do my phone. Look, go to other sister. Look, go to Lucy. You, dumb. You're not cute, right? A. Say A. Say A. A. The screen's saying good food. Hey, go to mama. Hey. She mad, y'all. She coming on the other side. You think you think?
I would break down. I couldn't even.
Yeah.
You're gonna be blessed.
Yeah, we like pink. We also like blue. Yeah.
Come on, tell me what them icy snowbally things stuff. I don't want to YouTube channel.
That's not our brother. That's our cousin, by the way, you guys. What did y'all get?
We said we got them icy things.
Y'all got salad?
Devontae don't eat that many though.
Yes, I do.
I mean, you don't eat a lot.
Yeah, because I never
You
had
got salad?
They have about it.
Oh, you got that?
Y'all have about it.
Oh,
Oh, but we got
No, y'all have about it too.
salad.
thank you again.
I don't see all.
I brought y'all chips
red.
too. Chip shot here.
Stop! You're not getting in it.
She has the red one. She has the red one. She.
Mama!
Hey, I'm gonna
Bye, guys.
one of mine all so y'all know.
Bye. Comment down below and subscribe. Love you guys.